The figure above shows the graph of the function f on the domain between 0 to 9. There it is. If the inverse of f looks like that, what is the value of f inverse of 4 minus f inverse of 2? Well, here's the thing. If I say like f of x equals a number, okay, like for example, x and y, like if I were to look at this and say, all right, well, 0 appears to match up with 0, and 2 appears to be 1, and what do I care about? What else do I care about? 4 appears to be 2, and that other 4 is probably going to show up. So let me see. 6 appears to be 4. The inverse would be if I were to completely flip these guys around. Completely flip them around. All right, so 0 is still 0, but 1 is now 2, and 2 is now 4, and 4 is now 6. Now, why did I use those exact numbers? Why did I see to it that I had 2 and 4 over here? Because now I have 2 and 4 on the left. So what I do now that I flipped everything, now that I found out, and basically that's how you approach this problem. You're saying, oh, if I want the inverse, then what I want to do is swap the x and the y values. So on this picture, I care about when y is 4 and when y is 2, and then swap them. So now I have them swapped. And so when I want to do this, f inverse of 4 is 6. Write that down here. F inverse of 2 is 4. And 6 minus 4 is this little tiny 2 right there. I've heard of Tiny Tim, but Tiny 2? Now that's a Christmas story that I'd want to watch. I hope that problem made sense.